Um, this is like I think part two, three. I don't know, but today I made some more progress on my retrofit, and here are the three products I had to buy and use. This for the lenses because the lenses were messed up because the previous owner of the lights used the heat gun and got a little bit too aggressive with it, and then plus the paint that was used before, it was he did not let it sit out and dry before he put it back together. And of course Toyota bulbs tend to get hot. I think he used the bigger bulb, which I think you're not supposed to anymore, but it kind of ruined the other. Well, I may do with it because I'm gonna throw LEDs in it and I'm keeping the cover, so it's not gonna show anyway. So yeah, but this is the truth. I vouch for this because I thought the lens were toast, but my lenses are restored. I'll walk into the other room shortly. I use this and I use satin black because satin black is just enough sheen, and then it matches my lights at my fog lights. I got the Morimoto XBs, and it's good for mainly it's good for any surface. Is actually good for plastics. I know it said on the back of the bottle before I bought it, but I use this with the shrouds, just to, the imperfections. I use this to kind of cover it up, and then with these, I went ahead and did these just so the effect to be the projector will actually pop, especially for the high beam. I want that projector to pop, so I went ahead and painted this. Of course, you're not going to see most of it, but to me, I just wanted to pop. So I did this one and that one in the back. Right now, these are drying, and I do vouch for this paint. This paint is good. And then, even though this has controversy, I know how to use it, and I use these. And I'm not doing the clear coat because it's not seeing any, it's not going to deteriorate because it's not out in the weather. And these are for the corners, and see, you see a little sheen like type of deal. Yeah, I like the sheen, so you still see a little shine, except but it's covered up too. So, and that's not a blemish. I know people think that's a blemish. It's actually a R. Zoom in, yeah, you see the letter R. So, and I think the other one has a letter L, but I don't want to trip and fall and step on that side. So let me skedaddle on to the next room. Okay, yeah, I know it's messy, but okay. All right, the lenses are totally clean, as clear as I could get them, and they're a little bit clearer than the OEM, which is on my truck now, and that's pretty clear too. So yeah, this is good because before it was toast. And these are the little shrouds, and notice right there, kind of in the middle right here. Focus. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's from putting the bulb that's too hot and putting it in too soon. And this is what happened here. So apparently, I think this guy went and did the black headlight mod, and instead of him to wait for a week or something like that for the paint to totally cure, he kind of rushed it, and those are the results. So I will be using LEDs anyways. I won't be using incandescents, so I won't really have a problem. But it shouldn't happen no more. So I'm satisfied with how that turned out, and I did what I could with these, because as you see, this is the burn mark from the bulb because he used the wrong bulb. These had little rings around it. You can still see a little bit of the ring, as you can see, but I'm not gonna trip over that. I'm going to just live with it. It's not going to deter from the overall appearance of the headlight, so I'm not really worried about it. So that's the progress. Yeah, this is part 2. We'll post progress and continue. So, oh yeah, I need to buy some bulbs. I'm probably gonna go to Atlanta and buy some more motor bulbs because the retrofit source is like right down the street. So, yeah, these are my. Oh yeah, I got these from the retrofit source. Yeah, because I already had the ballast, but I didn't have the igniters. But awesome. I think these were like $10 a piece. So can't complain. I got them used. I know they work. I bought other things from them too. I actually bought a spare set of amp adapters for these ballasts. So yeah, the retrofit source is always true. This came from Lightworks. And this just a resealer. I will use a little bit of it, but as you can see, I got plenty of it. And the next thing would be mocking up the projectors to fit. So I gotta go to Home Depot or whatever. I gotta go to Lowe's anyways, because I gotta take back a can of paint because I got an extra can thinking it was going to be tedious, but the Cryoline covers really well and really efficient, so don't need it. So I'm gonna reimburse myself and probably give me something to eat. Until next time, hopefully, I guess just encourage y'all to do a retrofit because like I said, I'm not paying that much. I refuse. So yeah, so far, yeah, it's costing less than the quote that I got just for the labor for the retrofit. So I'm totally satisfied right now. And it's coming together and it's almost there. So, alrighty. I will probably do a part 3 or 2, 3. I don't know what part it is, but I'm going to do another part next week. Or Friday, well, tomorrow's Friday, so a weekend is sucked. So if I get something done, I will post it up. All right.